Hello everyone, I am Ishita Pathak. Welcome to my channel. I am a 24-year-old corporate professional. I've just completed my MBA and I just make travel fun, entertaining vlogs for everyone. So, this is a very short trip, a weekend trip to Jaipur that I took with my parents and Nani. We were put up at the army holiday home. This is in the main area near the Bapu Bazaar, and this is a short room tour. Called for a quick lunch in the room itself, had ordered some dal fry, some malai kofta, parathas, and jeera rice. It was good. Hello everyone. I am in Jaipur and I am down with fever. This is the worst thing that could happen to anyone. So my parents have left me and they've gone to Bapu Bazaar for shopping, and then they're going to go to this amazing place called Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar. Again, I go to a lot of those places. LMP, and I love their dal bati churma, but घर तक लाएंगे तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा. So I've ordered some hot chocolate and I'm just going to chill. I have a bad fever. और कल हम जा रहे हैं खाटू श्याम जी के मंदिर, तो उसके लिए वी हैव टू लीव बाय 6 क्योंकि वी हर्ड कि आई थिंक यहाँ से जाने में भी 2 घंटे लगेंगे. इट्स अराउंड 70 किलोमीटर्स, और अगर हम लेट हो गए तो फिर वापस आना पड़ेगा, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो जाती है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गो एंड टेक अ शावर एंड देन watch something on YouTube and just chill. Such a The hot chocolate looked pretty promising. Now, this food was really expensive. For one chili chicken and one hot chocolate, I had to pay like 800 bucks, but it was packed really well and the food looked good. The quantity, not so much. But when I tried it, the hot chocolate was really good. A little too sweet for my liking, but it was still good. Chili chicken, not so much. This is the next day. I'm already feeling a lot better, and this is my weird fit check, and this is like at 5:30 in the morning, or even before that. As I had said, it's gonna take a lot of time to go to the mandir, so we got up early and got dressed, also had to take a shower, and yeah, here I am, and we left. So it was super crowded even early in the morning. I think people come here एक रात पहले and then they stand in the line. We had gotten tickets, or I don't know, like a VIP entry of sorts. So it was a little easier for us to go till the main mandir area, but it was still very crowded. So you see where the policemen are standing, that's the line we went inside from, and just opposite to the Jai Shri Ram Wala Mandir was the actual temple. It was good, did not give a lot of time for darshan, through us like in 5-6 seconds, but just near to that is like a nice hotel. We had poha and dosa and aloo paratha. The food was really very nice, idli as well, so it was good. And then we were leaving for another temple that's like 5-6 kilometers from there, like a Mahalakshmi temple. A lot of people don't go to and don't know about, but our driver knew, so he took us. This was so good. It was very very less crowd and just very peaceful. It was like a Birla Mandir, and this one was really good. So this was a Sunday and I was feeling better in the evening. We came back and slept, and then we went to the real Birla temple. This was like a mandir hopping weekend for me. I've been to Jaipur twice. I've visited the Birla Mandir also, and the one in Hyderabad, the one in Goa, they're super peaceful. So I really like this one as well. तो हम वहाँ गए थे to show my nani. It was her first time in Jaipur. And then we headed to Bapu Bazaar for some shopping because I had missed out on all the shopping a day before when my parents had gone. I love the market. It just takes you back to the olden days, like you're in an ancient era or something. I got a couple of things from here. Got two types of jutis. I'll insert the picture. And I also got like a lehenga for very cheap, for like 1500 bucks. Need to get the blouse stitched. In the evening, it was looking so pretty, and then we headed to LMB for dinner. Had a lot. Started with the samosa and rasmalai and pyaz ki kachori, of course. My dad had lassi. I had a bad throat, so I'd ordered this virgin toddy, which was actually so good. And then next day early morning, because I had work, so we headed. We left for Delhi at like 7 in the morning, and it was raining, kind of, but the weather was so good. It was like Lonavala wala weather. And we stopped at this huge food court. This had a lot of restaurants. I got myself a hot chocolate from this place called Nothing But Coffee, I think it was called. And then my parents had these parathas from Murthal Parathas. They had a branch opened here, and I also had this Maggie because the weather obviously called for it. And then we headed back.